eye strain and drowsiness relief secret to improving vision. You may be familiar with such a state when you wake up in the morning, you sleep all night, but your eyes don't want to open. Your eyes are tired and in the eyes some kind of sand. And you want to sleep more. What is it? Why is this happening? A very similar state occurs when a person works at a computer. Also eye fatigue appears, drowsiness and how to work. What happened? A person receives too much visual information, and if you get up in the morning and still want to sleep, your eyes stick together. You could have been dreaming all night of these informational stimuli that have not gone away, which entered your brain during the day and stayed on your visual fields. What to do with them? How to clear your eyes' visual fields? Firstly, you need to relax at night, do palming and listen to meditation to relax your facial muscles and eyes, and fall asleep in a relaxed state. Second, a relaxed state will not allow the stimulating processes to make you tired overnight, because the brain consumes a huge amount of your body's energy. The brain consumes a lot of energy. This is the work of the brain, the main energy consuming part of our body, and vision is the most energy consuming part of our brain. Almost the entire cerebral cortex processes these visual images, so if you didn't relax enough, if you were sitting at a computer or phone with these visual images and then realize that you want to sleep or watch TV, watch and fall asleep, then you have your visual system running and your brain is processing them all night. Woke up in the morning and didn't rest, the whole body is heavy and tired because the brain worked all night and it takes a lot of energy from you. It is better to start such morning with palming, relax, give your eyes a rest, and then only you can do eye exercises for vision. You can wash your face, you can take a contrast shower, and so on. If you work at a computer, you need to erase all these visual loads. The easiest relaxation exercise to do is palming, but it must be done correctly, and in 15 seconds it can bring the maximum effect. Then the visual tension will be removed, then the general tension, and then such an effect of eye fatigue will disappear and you will feel great, even if your vision is not perfect. If you want a more in-depth, step-by-step proven course, Eyesight Academy, to improve your eyesight naturally, remove spectacles and get rid of myopia, astigmatism or hyperopia. The online program consists of 8 modules, starting from mindset, recognizing bad habits of poor eyesight and eliminating them, and includes the best possible daily eye exercises from beginner level to advanced. Don't miss the discount, the link will be in the description below.